Okay, so now I'm going to show you like how you can run your Chainlink node in your PC. Okay, so there is the documentation of the Chainlink which you can read and go through all the steps. But I will show you live like how you can set up your env file and all the necessary things required for running your Chainlink node. Okay, first of all you need to create an account in Docker, and you need to set up your Docker in your PC and just minimize it. Next you need to create one folder. Let me just show you. Okay, I have already created one folder. I am going to that folder. Here is a folder called Chainlink Gorilla. You just need to create one folder, and inside the folder you need to create one .env file, and you need to add all the necessary things required to put in this env file, which I am going to show you now. Let me just open this folder. Okay, this is the env file. You need to add this root log label, then your chain id. Yeah, you can add any chain id, like if you want to test in the Goerli or if you want to test in the main network, then you can add according to your necessary. Then this is the link contract address. You can copy and paste from this documentation. That's all given in this documentation. You can read and add this link contract address, or you can just copy my contract address. Then you need to add this chain link TLF port, and the main thing you need to add is its URL. I have added Chainlink 1 with the main network, so I have added this main network its URL, which we can get through Alchemy. Just go to this Alchemy website and get this each URL. I have already created my Alchemy account, so I will be just adding those URL, each URL. Okay, so you need to just create a new app, then you need to give a name and description, then you need to choose the network you want to deploy your node. I will be choosing the Ethereum and the main network, as I've already created an app, so it has reached the maximum app. So after you create your app, it will be showing like this. Just need to click on this view key, and you need to copy this WebSocket URL. Just copy this WebSocket URL and paste up over here like this each URL. And in the database URL, you need to create an account in you can say render to get a free database Postgres URL. Let me just go to this random website. This is the first link. You need to go inside this link, and the website will be show up here. Then you need to just sign in. Yeah, like this. You just need to create one account over here. So let me just create an account. Okay, so let me just verify this email, confirmation email, and go to this email Gmail. Choose the account. This is the account. I need to verify the render verification email. Okay, this is the email. I need to verify it, and this is the link. Okay, so it has been verified. So now you need to just go to this new tab, click on this, and here you need to choose, you can say Postgres SQL. Just choose this one and give a name. Let's say I'm giving a name Chainlink. Okay, so and it is done. No need to do anything else. You need to just choose this one, free version, and create database. Amazing. It is just creating your database, online Postgres database. It will take some few seconds, and all the password, external, internal URL will be show up over here, and also the port is also given, and the host name, the username, and the database name. Just wait for some few seconds. Let this completed this process. Yes, it hasn't completed. It is showing available. So now you can just copy this external URL, database URL. You can see like this. You just copy this URL and paste over here like this. So all the steps have been completed. Now we will run our Chainlink node. So you just minimize this, go over here, and you need to open your command prompt, run as administrator, and I will change my directory. You need to go inside this means you need to reach over here in this directory, local disk e final test images. Okay, so it's really test. Okay, so I have reached over this steps. Now I need to add a command so that our local Chainlink node gets started. Okay, so I am going to show you which command you need to copy and paste. I have added in my source code. I will be adding in the source code. This is the command you need to paste in this command prompt. Just copy this and paste over here. Okay, so this is the you can say command redirect means showing this where our env file is located. So and also even keep in mind this is in version I have added. You can change it to the latest version, or if the latest version doesn't work, then you can add this version. And let me just there is an miscorrect in this command. Let me just correct it. Okay, so it is all good. I am just running the Chainlink node. Okay, it will take some few seconds and all the steps will be completed, and the Chainlink node will be successfully run in your local PC. Remember, this is not my first time, so I have already added an email as well as the password. So in your case, it will ask in API this enter stored password. Keep in mind you need to add 3 uppercase letter, 3 lowercase, 3 number, and 3 unique digit. So and also it should be contain 12 digit number, or means password. So keep in mind this. Let me just add the password. Okay, so after these steps, it will ask you email as well as password. That password will be your login for the local Chainlink node. As I've already done, so it won't ask me, but in your case, it will ask you. Make sure you add those email as well as the password, and it is successfully running. Let me just go to this uh, localhost 6688. Great, it is running. Our local Chainlink node is successfully running. So here you can add the email as well as the password. Then click on this accept account. Here you go. So what I have done, I have also created bridge, where the external adapter bridge, which I have shown you in the in my previous video. This is an external adapter where it is fetches any user all the NFTs containing in his wallet using this covalent API key. And let me just need to make sure it runs in the background. Okay, let me just connect it. Here you go. It is running in the port 8080. Okay, so great. I have also created job, which I will be connecting it with the smart contract so that any user can use that this external adapter and get any user all the NFTs containing in his wallet. Let me just show you some description of this job. Here you go. I am just showing you like how it will be working. You need to just, if you want to create any job, like what you need to do, this is an sample source code you can get in this Chainlink documentation. You need to just make some little modification in this source code. You need to just add any name, give any name this section. Then the contact address will be okay. Let me just, this env file, you have added this contact address. You need to get the contact address and paste over here. And if this give you EIP55 error, then you need to convert this link contact address to EIP55. Then after that you need to paste over here. Then the two more motivation are left, which is bridge name. This is the fetch NFT bridge name, which I have shown you. This is the bridge name I am just connecting with this job. And this job. Okay, so fetch NFT bridge name. There's one more thing. It is wallet address. As I am taking wallet address as parameter from user, so this is the wallet address and this is the parameter address, which I'm taking address as a parameter. After that, it will parse, means it will return data, means all the tokens as in data. So I have added these tokens. Yeah, so all the things are collected. After that, if anyone uses this job, then all the errors and runs will show up over here. This is the task list. Okay, so hope you have understood all the steps correctly, and if you can try by yourself, and if any errors come, you can comment it down in the description or miss in the comment section. I will love to help you out. Thank you and have a nice day.